Thank you for watching the how-to video to view and accept your financial aid award. First, go to sunyjefferson.edu and log into your MyJCC account. Next, select the Quick Links option. In the Financial Aid box, select Award for Aid Year. Here, select the school year you would like to view, then click Submit. Next, select the Accept Award Offer option. Here, you will see your financial aid award for your federal unsubsidized and/or subsidized loans, federal Pell Grant, federal Work Study, and New York State TAP Grant. You will only need to accept the amounts for student loans if you choose. All grant funding will be automatically applied to your account. Please keep in mind, all amounts accepted are split in half the amount for the fall semester and the other half for the spring semester. After you have selected the amount you would like to accept for the year, click Submit. You can also select the Accept Full Amount All Awards option if you would like the full amount of both loans. Your next step will be to complete the entrance counseling and master promissory note. Visit studentaid.gov to complete these steps. If you have any questions, please contact Enrollment Services at 315-786-2437 or email financialservices@sunyjefferson.edu.